Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Urologist USA Today. I'm your host, and today we're bringing you a very special story from the heart of Oaxaca City. This isn't just any story. It's the life experience, wisdom, and gentle insight of a remarkable woman. Dr. Esperanza, a 75-year-old dermatologist who has spent the last 45 years transforming not just the skin of her patients, but their understanding of beauty, aging, and self-care. Her methods are simple. Her results? Profound. You're about to discover the habits she believes are more powerful than any treatment money can buy. So, make yourself comfortable and let's dive into this beautiful and empowering lesson from a lifetime of caring for others and for oneself. Underscore the daily ritual of self-observation. When you hear the words 75-year-old dermatologist, what comes to mind? Perhaps you think of wisdom, years of medical knowledge, or someone who's seen it all. But here's the surprising truth. Every morning, the very first thing Dr. Esperanza does is observe her own face. Not with machines or magnifiers. Not with creams or chemicals. Just with her own two hands and honest attention. Dr. Esperanza doesn't rely on expensive treatments for herself. Instead, she watches her skin, learns from its condition, and adjusts her habits, not her products. To her, the ultimate compliment is not when someone says, "You have great skin," but when a patient tells her, "I want to look like you." What she teaches is simple. The quality of your skin depends more on your daily habits than on any procedure or product. And this, she says, is a truth even many dermatologists overlook. The turning point in her 50s. Even with decades of experience, Dr. Esperanza faced challenges. In her 50s, she began to notice signs of aging. Hollow eyes, drooping corners of the mouth, and an overall dullness that even high-end creams couldn't fix. Despite knowing what was good for the skin, her daily routine was rushed and rough. She'd wash her face quickly, splash cold water, rub with a towel, and be out the door. "I told my patients to care for their skin," she says, "while I was neglecting my own." This contradiction finally struck her at 70, when a patient softly said, "Doctor, I don't want treatment. I want to look as natural as you do." That comment shifted everything. She began observing her face not as a doctor, but as a person, a patient. She noticed that what was missing wasn't a new product. It was Carino. Gentle, mindful affection. From that day on, she changed the way she treated her skin. Not with money or machines, but with time, care, and conscious touch. The power of daily habits. Over time, she saw changes. Reduced redness, softened lines, a more awake, alive face each morning. But even more unexpected, she noticed her overall health improved. Better sleep, healthier food choices, even balanced blood sugar levels. Why? Because her self-care wasn't just skin deep. It was a signal to her whole body. You are cared for. Skin is the mirror of the body, she says. And when you treat it with care, the rest follows. So now, let's learn the 5 fingertip habits that changed her life and could change yours too. You don't need luxury creams or professional treatments. Just a bowl of lukewarm water, your 2 hands, and a little attention. Habit 1. Embrace, don't scrub. Many of us damage our skin every single day, and we don't even realize it. We think we're cleaning our faces, but what we're really doing is weakening them. Cold water constricts your pores too quickly, and hot water strips away essential oils. And rubbing with a towel? That's trauma. Micro-injuries. Day after day, year after year. Instead, she recommends lukewarm water around 29 to 31 degrees Celsius. Warm to the touch, but not hot. Create a gentle foam in your palms, and instead of scrubbing, let your ring fingers do the work. They're the weakest fingers, and that's exactly why they're perfect. Dab, press, glide. Embrace your skin, don't punish it. After washing, don't rub with a towel. Pat gently. Let the skin dry with care. This single change can start healing years of unnoticed damage. Habit 2. The golden minute. Moisturizing is essential, but did you know timing is everything? Right after washing, your skin is at its most vulnerable. Within 3 minutes, you've already lost 30% of moisture. After 10 minutes, it's over 50%. So here's the trick. Moisturize within 1 minute of washing. She calls it the golden minute. Don't wait. Don't read the news. Don't make coffee first. Your skin is thirsty. Give it what it needs while it's asking. Use a gentle toner, a mist, and then a cream. Use your warm hands to help everything absorb. It's not about the brand. It's about the moment. Habit 3. Treat the neck. Your neck isn't just a connector. It's a reflection of your face's health. When the neck muscles are tight or stagnant, your face becomes puffy and dull. Gently massage from the base of your skull to your collarbone. Don't press hard, just enough to slide. This stimulates lymphatic drainage and improves circulation. Try alternating warm and cool towels on your neck. It's like exercise for your blood vessels, helping to tone and refresh the entire area. Habit 4. Nature's masks. Expensive face masks may promise miracles, but Dr. Esperanza's favorites come from her kitchen. Egg yolks, egg whites, flaxseed oil. These are her go-to treatments. Egg yolks nourish. Whites tighten. Flaxseed oil regenerates and calms inflammation. They're natural, affordable, and surprisingly effective. Rotate them throughout the week. Monday and Thursday, egg yolk and honey. Tuesday and Friday, egg white and rice flour. Wednesday and Saturday, flaxseed oil and oatmeal. Sunday, let your skin rest. It's not about luxury. It's about love. Habit 5. Face movements matter. We forget that our face is made of muscles, 42 of them. And like any muscles, if we don't use them properly, they weaken. That's when we get deep lines, sagging, and that tired expression that seems to settle in as we age. Do you clench your jaw? Keep your lips tightly closed? These unconscious habits build tension. Dr. Esperanza recommends 3 exercises. Tongue tracing. Gently slide your tongue along your gums 10 times. Exaggerated vowels. Open your mouth wide and pronounce A-E-I-O-U. Mirror moments. Spend 30 seconds a day making different expressions. Joy, sadness, surprise. These small actions wake up your facial muscles, restore symmetry, and even boost your mood. Conclusion. The secret is you. Dr. Esperanza's methods aren't revolutionary because they're complex. They're revolutionary because they're kind. Every day, she tells her patients and herself that the skin responds not to pressure or pain, but to presence, to gentle care, to love. Your skin is alive. It's speaking to you. And if you listen, it will guide you to better health, more confidence, and real beauty. So today, begin with one habit. Touch your face with care. Look in a mirror with kindness. Speak to yourself with love. And if you found this story helpful, inspiring, or simply calming, don't forget to subscribe. Dr. Esperanza's journey continues in our next video, where she'll talk about the magic of alternating hot and cold therapies. Until then, stay gentle, stay curious, and stay well. This is Urologist USA Today. Thank you for joining us.